This is the 1:60 scale diecast model of the Ford Focus ST from Majorette, and I will be unboxing this car in front of all of you, and it's the first hot hatch in our car collection. First of all, let me unbox it. So this car is made in Thailand. Now I will be unboxing it. And this is the Ford Focus ST. Come on, let us see the exterior of this car in detail. So here you get the front grille. There's a highly detailed Ford logo over here. The ST badging is over here. Headlamps. The right side ORVM. Door handles. The same wheels that are used in most of the cars. Painted tail lamps. A highly detailed Ford logo over here. The ST badging. A rear wiper. Shark fin antenna. A spoiler. These door handles. The left side ORVM. And it also has this suspension. It has this suspension on the front wheels and on the rear wheels.